Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil and today topic is limiting error. So today I am discussed to the topic is limiting error. Okay, so get ready for in this video. Start now. The accuracy and the precision of an instruction instrument of the instrument, the accuracy and precision of instrument and depend upon its design, the the material and use, and the workmanship that goes into making the instrument and the choice of any instrument for the practical application depend upon the accuracy distribute only on if only a if only a fail degree of accuracy, it is a distribution of this but skills of distribution, it is a not ecumenical and to use or expensive material and the skin for men to future many future of the instrument, but in instrument used for an application required a highly degree of accuracy has to use a expensive material and a highly skilled and work safe in the done the economical perfect production of any instrument required the proper choice of material degree and skill in other to switch to process of the qualities of the instrument and the manufacture graduate are critical accuracy in most instruments. The accuracy is graduate need to be within a critical principle of full skill reading. Okay, so next again stop is again topic is started. Component are graduated to be within a creating a percentage of the relative value or twice the manufacturer has to special the the deviation. Okay, so in simply I am explain for this topic. So simple word of this topic is meaning the limited of twice divisions for the specific value are defined as a limiting error or graduated error. Thank you, have a good day. We'll see you next video. Tata, bye bye.